Options is another big thing, an element in Microsoft Word. If you understand options, what option is doing, so you can get most out of Microsoft Word and you can really use it efficiently and effectively. So to go to options, you have to go to options as well, into file and then options. So in here we have every part, we have different types together, and we have different category. Which I'm going to go overall and as overview. Okay, it might take us 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes to go all over that, and I'm going to talk about them. Okay, so I want you to really be passionate about the options because this is something important. Okay, I'm gonna go over some options and highlight them to somehow these are important and you will need it in the future. Yeah, that's only the case. So in general, we have user interface, group, and personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, and privacy settings, and then LinkedIn features, startup options, real time. Now, I'm not gonna go over all because it's a waste of time to go over all. I'm only pointing and highlighting to those that are important to understand and to make them into daily basis, and really impact your document. So at first it has optimization, optimize for best appearance or optimize for compatibility. Which one do you want? Okay, so you have to decide on that. If your computer is weak, it doesn't support good much this Microsoft Word 2019 or the updated version, so you have to switch really to it. Okay, so you have to switch to this version, to this option, because this one is not good for you. Show mini toolbar on selection is another option. It shows mini toolbar option whenever you select something, maybe a text. Let's go with the title, for example. Let's go with title, and then you select it. This is mini toolbar. And do you want that? If you want that, so you have to be really curious. Now, if you face problem that it's not showing up, you have to come up in here and check out. We can also disable live preview or enable it. Okay, in here, live preview as well. Update document content while dragging. This is another important option. Collapse the ribbon automatically. So for now, if you could do this, the ribbon will be collapsed automatically. You can see right now. And how I did it, I can double click on that. Now it's uncollapsed. And if I double click again, so it's gone, and I can go in here and it collapses automatically itself. That can be use of that. So it's there you go. And I can click in here and I can click, it shows up. So that's good options to go with. Screen tip styles, you can manage this as well in here. Show features description in a screen tips. Don't show feature descriptions in a screen tip, or don't show even. You can go and pick up your copy of Microsoft Office, like username, initials like J and James Iktiari. You can pick up one of them. You can also choose your Office theme as well in here. And down in here we come about the default programs. This is another important. I like to highlight. I would like to highlight this. Default programs. So it says go to settings, apps, and default apps. So we should go to default apps to really make it sure that it's really there. So you already know the format of Microsoft Word. It's DOCX, okay? And in here you have to decide choose default app by file type or by protocol or by app. So we're gonna go by app, and then select the app. Once we select it, then we have the options to manage it to the next version. So we have Word and down page. Let's go and find it out. It should be in here, very close. Yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna go manage, and then you can see right now it can open DOC, DOCM, DOCX, dot, and .m, .xodt open document. This is open document. RTF, WPK, all of that is available for Microsoft Word. And you can say, well, don't open for this. Open for some other applications. Open with other applications. But all of that is default open as Microsoft Word. If you had problems sometimes, so you can check it out. You can check it out default applications.